Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cool Piracy. Hope you are doing great. In this video, I am going to show you free engineering courses offered by Siemens for free of cost. These courses are important for core engineering branch students like mechanical, electrical, electronics communication as well as instrumentation students. So students who are eagerly waiting for core branch courses, so here I came up with free courses you can avail. I am going to discuss what are the courses they are offering, how you can avail and what are the login process. So without wasting more time, let's jump into the video. So, Siemens is providing free core branch engineering courses for mechanical, electrical, electronics, communication as well as instrumentation students. This is the official website of Siemens as you can see here. So Siemens is providing e-learning platform for free of cost. So they are offering free courses such as drive technology, process control system, industrial automation system, safety statements, low voltage power distribution, industrial communication as well as logo web based training. So these are the main topics under which there are subtopic courses that you can avail for free of cost and single part of the whole topic on which you are interested in. So clicking on one of the topics, suppose I am choosing drive technology. Clicking on the link, it will simply take me to another web page where you can see the whole list of courses, subdivided topics. So drive technology is the main topic under which there are various kind of subtopics. Suppose as you can see, basics of drive motors, basics of drives, converters. These are the small courses you can apply for. And not only that, they are available in different kind of language such as Dutch as well as English as well as Italian. There are various kind of language. It will be mentioned over there. So it's recommend for you guys to go for these courses as it is a worldwide course. You can go for any of the languages, any of the courses you are interested in. So I strongly recommend you guys go for this course as it is provided by Siemens for free of cost. So it's a great opportunity to grab this chance. Now clicking on one of the topics, suppose I am choosing industrial communication, it will simply took me to another web page where you can see the huge list of courses they are availing. So e-learning, data communication with industrial Ethernet. Now coming to the login part, you simply need to register yourself, enroll yourself in Siemens account. Just simply put your last name, first name, email and your country name. After that you can avail all the courses for free of cost. About the official website and the free courses of Siemens, I will put the link down in the description. You can check it out whenever you want. And if you have any queries related to the videos, then let me know in the comments down below. Hope you guys like this video. If you do like, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Cool Piracy. Each week I am going to upload videos related to education, gaming, hack-centric so that you can update yourself. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning.